I wake up at 7 every morning. I wake up at 7 every morning. He washes his face every day. He washes his face every day. She brushes her teeth twice a day. She brushes her teeth twice a day. He takes a shower every morning. He takes a shower every morning. She gets dressed before breakfast. She gets dressed before breakfast. He makes toast every morning. He makes toast every morning. She drinks coffee every morning. She drinks coffee every morning. He eats cereal for breakfast. He eats cereal for breakfast. He waits for the bus every morning. He waits for the bus every morning. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. She walks to school every day. She walks to school every day. He rides his bike to work. He rides his bike to work. She drives to work every day. She drives to work every day. She sometimes takes a taxi to work. She sometimes takes a taxi to work. He works at a computer every day. He works at a computer every day. She teaches English at a school. She teaches English at a school. He studies hard every day. He studies hard every day. She has a meeting every Monday. She has a meeting every Monday. He answers the phone at work. He answers the phone at work. She drinks tea during her break. She drinks tea during her break. He writes reports at work. He writes reports at work. She sends emails every day. She sends emails every day. She talks to her colleagues at work. She talks to her colleagues at work. She shops at the supermarket every week. She shops at the supermarket every week. He buys fruit every week. He buys fruit every week. She pays by card at the store. She pays by card at the store. He buys bread at the bakery. He buys bread at the bakery. He gets his medicine at the pharmacy. He gets his medicine at the pharmacy. She gets money from the ATM. She gets money from the ATM. He sends a package every month. He sends a package every month. She tries on clothes at the shop. She tries on clothes at the shop. He carries the bags home. He carries the bags home. She cooks dinner every evening. She cooks dinner every evening. She boils water for pasta. She boils water for pasta. He drinks orange juice with lunch. He drinks orange juice with lunch. She fries eggs for breakfast. She fries eggs for breakfast. He shares food with his family. He shares food with his family. She washes the dishes after dinner. She washes the dishes after dinner. He checks the fridge every evening. He checks the fridge every evening. She eats salad for lunch. She eats salad for lunch. She does yoga every morning. She does yoga every morning. He plays video games on weekends. He plays video games on weekends. She draws pictures in her free time. She draws pictures in her free time. She loves baking on weekends. She loves baking on weekends. He reads books in the park. He reads books in the park. She swims at the pool on Fridays. She swims at the pool on Fridays. He watches movies on Saturday nights. He watches movies on Saturday nights. She cleans the house every weekend. She cleans the house every weekend. He does the laundry on Sundays. He does the laundry on Sundays. She waters the plants every day. She waters the plants every day. She folds her clothes every week. She folds her clothes every week. He takes out the trash every night. He takes out the trash every night. She sweeps the floor every morning. She sweeps the floor every morning. He tidies the living room every day. He tidies the living room every day.